Greeting students. In this lecture, we'll talk about the algebraic functions. First off, we have the polynomial function. A function of the form p of x is equal to an xn plus an minus 1 xn minus 1 plus an minus 2 xn minus 2 up to a 0 is called a polynomial function of degree n, such that an is not equal to 0 and n is a non-negative integer. The domain and range of polynomial functions is the set of real numbers. Moving on, we have linear functions. If the degree of the polynomial function is 1, then it is called a linear function. The general formula of a linear function is f of x is equal to ax plus b, where a must not be equal to 0 and a and b are real numbers. An important thing to note is that the graph of a linear function is always a straight line, which is also displayed on your screen. The domain and range of a linear function is the set of real numbers. Next off, we have the identity function. If a function I is such that I of x is equal to x, then the function is known as the identity function. The domain and range of the function is the set itself. Next off, we have the constant function. If a function c is such that c of x is equal to a, then the function is known as the constant function. The domain of the constant function is a set of real numbers, while the range being the possible outcome would be the constant itself. At last, we have the rational function. A function r of x of the form p of x over q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial functions and q of x is not equal to 0, is called a rational function. The domain of this function is the set of rational numbers, while the range would be the subset of the set of real numbers. Well, that's all from us from the topic algebraic expressions.